Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage composition. Percentage composition involves expressing a smaller quantity as a percentage of a whole. This topic is popular when we are looking at a number of ingredients or components that are added together to make up a whole mixture. Let's look at some examples. Number one. A particular fruit salad is made up of 300 grams of strawberries, 400 grams of bananas, 200 grams of apples, and 100 grams of cherries. What is the percentage composition of bananas? So the percentage composition of bananas, we have 400 over 1,000 because there are 400 grams of bananas, and when you add the four ingredients together, you get 1,000 grams. So it's 400 over 1,000 times 100 over 1. So we write that again so we can do the working. 200 into 400 goes twice. 200 into 1,000 goes 5 times. So we have 2 over 5 times 100 over 1. 5 into 5 goes once. 5 into 100 goes 20. 2 times 20 is 40%. So the percentage composition of bananas is 40%. A certain dog food contains 24 grams of chicken, 15 grams of jelly, and 11 grams of roughage. What is the percentage composition of chicken? So we have 24 grams of chicken, and when we add the three components together, that is the three different ingredients, we get 50 grams. So it's 24 over 50 times 100 over 1. 50 into 50 goes once. 50 into 100 goes twice. 24 times 2 is 48%. So the percentage composition of chicken is 48%. Number 3. A certain mixture of concrete contains 5 buckets of gravel, 2 buckets of sand, and 1 bucket of cement. What is the percentage composition of cement? You can see that we have 1 bucket of cement, and altogether there are 8 buckets when you add the three ingredients together. So the percentage composition of cement, we have 1 over 8 times 100 over 1. 4 into 8 goes twice. 4 into 100 goes 25 times. 1 times 25 is 25. 2 ones are 2. 25 over 2 is 12.5%. So the percentage composition of cement is 12.5%. So this video has given us a few problems where we can practice working out percentage composition. And this is normally very popular when you have different ingredients or different components that are added together to make up a whole. And we've seen some examples how to do the particular calculations.